The all-new FoodStation from Gourmia, the perfectly designed indoor grill air fryer. Grill, sear, get that outdoor grill flavor, plus air fry for crispy favorites with state-of-the-art airflow technology. Grill on a solid cast metal grate, indoors, with up to 510-degree grill temperatures from underneath, just like outdoors. All the sizzle and flavor without the smoke, thanks to the built-in Smoke Extractor. Drop in the huge capacity air fryer basket, and the advanced air fryer technology creates a cyclonic convection of superheated air that better surrounds your food. No one else lets you see through to watch, as your guilt-free favorites are crisped on the outside, moist and tender on the inside. FoodStation's one-touch intuitive design makes your choices effortless. It dehydrates and bakes. From families to foodies, the ultimate all-in-one countertop appliance, Gourmia FoodStation. It's how delicious gets done.